Voting by proxy. If you can't get to the polling station on polling day, you can ask someone you trust to vote on your behalf. This is called voting by proxy, and your trusted person is often called your proxy. To vote by proxy, you need to complete an application. You can contact your local council for information on how to apply. You'll need to tell your trusted person who you'd like to vote for. On polling day, they need to go to your polling station to vote. This may be different to where they go to vote. They need to tell the polling station staff your name, your address, and their own name. When voting in UK Parliament or Police and Crime Commissioner elections, they'll need to take photo ID with them, like a passport or their driving licence. This should be their own photo ID, rather than yours. If they don't have photo ID, they can apply for free voter ID online or by contacting their local council. They don't need photo ID to vote on your behalf in Senedd or local council elections. They then follow the normal process to cast your vote. If your trusted person can't get to the polling station, they can apply to vote by post. This is called a postal proxy. Learn more about your vote at electoralcommission.org.uk/learning.